Assalamualaikum, this is Arun Khane for News Bureau of India. Today we are on Talent Hunt Search. With us is a very young talent from Valley, residing from Baghi Mehtab, and we are going to have a chat with him. Let's start. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam Warahmatullah.
Tell us something about yourself.
My name is Shamim Andrabi. I am from Baghi Mehtab, Srinagar. By profession, I am an engineer and I am having MBA degree from in operations management also.
What's your current work?
Presently, I am running an institute in Jammu and Kashmir. It is Eden Robotics. It is related to teaching of robotics to the students of JNK. Previously, I worked in different MNCs. I was working with Mozabeer Photovoltaic as an engineer. I worked with them in an automation plant, and later on I joined L&T as project manager. I was working with L&T Solar. L&T is one of the giant organization of India. And after that I went for MBA to University of Technology Malaysia. I completed my MBA and returned back to Valley for different projects.
So tell us something how robotics is applied in our valley and how it's affecting the society.
See, actually, we are having franchisee from Novotic Robo Private Limited, Bangalore. We are having a complete curriculum for the students from grade 4th to grade 12th. We have completed 2-3 batches, Alhamdulillah. This time we have started it from Navgam. We are having their office at Navgam, and we are having tie-up with different schools. In this winter, during 2020 and 2021 session, we have started robotics at Chalura in collaboration with Base Academy. They have provided us this support for this type of course because it is very rare in Jammu and Kashmir. And when it comes to how it is beneficial to the students, I can say we don't know what future is going to unfold in front of our students, in front of our new generation. You know, technology is everywhere. It is now the future will be highly advanced, technically advanced future. So future is going to unfold in front of our students, in front of our new generation. You know, technology is everywhere. It is now the future will be highly advanced, technically advanced future. So it is very important that a student should know the basics of computer. We are teaching actually basics of computer. We are teaching them programming. We are teaching them coding. We are teaching them how to assemble a robot, how to program a robot. In future, they will definitely get benefit from this.
How is robotics working in Valley? And had government worked for this institution of robotics in Valley? What has government provided for robotics?
Like government, they are, yeah, definitely they are providing different support. There is a tinkering lab support. A school or an institution, they can apply for the tinkering lab and government can provide them that. But this is the first private institute, ours is the first private institute where we are teaching robotics to the students. When it comes to implementation, I can say it is less implemented in our valley. Unfortunately, we are having a lot of talent in Kashmir. I have seen students are doing amazing things with these small plastic boxes and plastic components. But when it comes to implementation, it should definitely come from the government. It cannot be implemented from a particular institute. Yeah.
Sir, you are working as a trainee, I may say. You are training the little kids. So, how is the society taking it? Have you seen that society is like parents, I may say, parents are giving support to their children to go for this robot and robotic engineering? How did you see that?
Initially, it was really difficult for us to convince a parent for such courses because we are having a particular track. I can say a trend that our students are just studying their books and just studying the general syllabus. But we are working hard on this. We are trying our best to convince parents, convince the administration of different schools. We have provided presentations. We have given delivered presentations in different schools